Hi everyone, welcome to the session. So this is the second class of geometry, third class of geometry, and we are going to discuss about triangles in detail. Alright, so in yesterday's session we discussed the basic properties of triangles, theorems related to triangles, and in this session we'll be discussing it further. Alright, let's begin. So before I start, I'll introduce myself quickly. My name is Aishwarya. I have done my masters in maths from University of Delhi. Prior to that, I did my graduation from Miranda House. I've been training students for various entrances like CAT, GRE and GMAT since past 4 years now. Yes. Hi all of you. Hi Kashish. Hi Pavan. Welcome to the class. Alright. So at Unacademy, we provide you two subscriptions, the Plus subscription and the Iconic subscription. These are the benefits that you get if you go for the Plus and Iconic subscriptions. So for CAT and for IPMAT, if you go for the Plus subscription, you will have access to the classes from top educators of India. The classes are live and interactive. You can download the PDFs after the end of each and every lecture. Live mock tests and quizzes also happen on the platform. Hi Vikas, hi Sumit, good afternoon, good evening. Alright, and in Iconic subscription, you get all the benefits of Plus. Along with that, you get personal guidance from your educator. Other management entrances preparation is inclusive, test analysis and a detailed score report is given to you for each and every mock test. Alright, now these are the prices. The price of CAT Plus subscription for 24 months is 32,800 and for 12 months this is 22,550. Likewise, the price of 6-month subscription is 16,400. Okay. The price of Iconic subscription for 24 months is 67,000 and for 12 months this is 39,500. You can get 10% off the course fee for both the subscriptions using the code AAISH10. Okay. Alright. Hi Lavish. Hi Anshul, Alfaz. Everyone present in the session. Good afternoon. Good evening all of you. Okay. Alright. So this was the homework question I gave in yesterday's session. Please tell me how many of you have solved this question. Yes, how many of you have solved this? Yeah. Please answer, guys. Yes, Kashish, Vikas, Sumit, Lavish, Anshul, Alfez, everyone. Please tell me if you have solved this question. Didn't solve it? Okay, you have solved it. Okay, great. Share your answer. What is the answer that you're getting? Okay, not solved. All right. Let us discuss this question. Those who have solved, they can verify the answer, and those who haven't solved, they can solve it with me today. Okay. So we have this triangle. Angle A is given as 30 degree. Angle B is 105 degrees. Okay. Length of BC is 6 root 2. What is the area of triangle ABC? Alright. So first of all, let us draw a perpendicular from B to AC. If I draw a perpendicular from B to AC like this, then this angle is a 90-degree angle. This one is also a 90-degree angle. Okay. So let us consider triangle A, B. Let us take this point as D. Let us consider triangle ABD. Okay. So in triangle ABD, can you tell me the value of angle ABD? What is the value of angle ABD? Please answer. Yes, all of you, this angle is 30 degrees, this is 90 degrees. So this angle will be equal to, correct, this angle will be equal to 60 degree. Hence this is 60 degree angle. Okay. Now in this triangle, so what type of triangle is this? This is a special triangle. Okay. This is a special triangle with one angle 60 degree, one angle 30 degree and other, this one is 90 degree. Okay. Alright. Please tell me what is the measure of angle CBD? This one. Alright, what is the measure of angle CBD? Hi Akshay, welcome to the session. Yes, quickly tell me the value of CBD. This angle ABC is given as 105. So 105 minus 60 degrees. So angle CBD is 45. So if this is 45, it means this angle is also 45 as it is a right angle triangle. Okay. So again, I have this triangle BDC. So triangle BDC, this is also a special triangle. And what type of a special triangle is this? This is 45, 45 and 90. Alright, this side BC is given as 6 root 2. So quickly tell me what is the measure of BD and DC. Okay. So if this is x root 2, we have this as x and this is x. It means this becomes 6. Right? BD and DC are 6. Therefore, this is 6. This is also 6. Alright. Now, so for this triangle, consider this triangle BAD. Now, in triangle BAD, we have BD is 6. Okay. Now, the side opposite 30-degree angle is 6. Can you tell me what is the measure of AD? Please tell me what is the measure of AD in triangle BAD, all of you. Yes. Think about it. If the side opposite 30-degree angle is 6, what is the side opposite 60-degree angle? Yes, everyone quickly answer this. Side opposite 60-degree angle is? If this is 6, this is x, then side opposite 60-degree angle is x root 3. We discussed this yesterday for the special triangles, right? Therefore, AD will be equal to 6 root 3. Alright. So, therefore, you can say that AC is 6 plus 6 root 3 and BD is equal to 6. Alright. So, what is the area of a triangle? Area is given by half base into height. Half base into height. What is the base of this triangle? AC. Right. So, this is half AC into BD. Okay. What is AC? 6 plus 6 root 3. And what is BD? 6. So, this is the area of this triangle. Alright. Simplify it further. You get 18 plus 18 root 3. Okay. Yes. All of you please confirm if this question is clear. Clear? Okay, great. Alright, let us start with the theorem, basic proportionality theorem. Okay, so suppose if I have a triangle, okay, alright Priyanshi, I'll repeat it for you. So what we have done is that we had to find the area of triangle ABC. Okay, so for that I need the height and the base. So we drew the height of this triangle BD. BD is the height perpendicular from B to AC. So this is 90. If this is 90, this is 30, so this is 60. This is 45, this is 45. So we get two special triangles, right? And in a special triangle, if the side opposite 30-degree angle is x, then the side opposite 60-degree angle is x root 3. Okay, so using this concept, we have calculated the height of the triangle and the base of the triangle. And once you know the height and base, you can calculate the area. Okay, I hope Priyanshi, this is clear now. Please try to solve this again. I'm sure you will understand this. Okay, now about the basic proportionality theorem. Now, if I have a triangle ABC, this is triangle ABC. Now, if I take a point D on the side AB and E on the side AC, a point E on the side AC. Alright, now if it is given that DE is parallel to the base BC, if DE is parallel to BC, okay, What does this mean? This means that AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. So the line parallel to the base of the triangle divides the other two sides of the triangle into equal ratios. Alright, this is what is basic proportionality theorem. If DE is parallel to BC, then AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. Alright, everyone, is this clear? Please confirm. Alright. Now, so suppose if I take this ratio as m upon n. Alright, the ratio of intercepts of the sides AD upon DB and AE upon EC. This is m is to n. Okay. Now, can you tell me what will be the ratio of AD upon AB? What is the ratio of AD upon AB? Please tell me. Try to find out. Correct. So AD upon AB will be equal to m upon m plus n. Correct. Okay, right. Now this is same as AE upon EC, and this is also same as DE upon BC. Okay, the third side also. Alright, I hope this is clear. Now the reverse of this statement is also true. Reverse of this theorem is also true. It means that if you join the 2 points which divide the segments, which divide the sides of the triangle into equal ratios, then you will get DE is parallel to BC. Alright, I hope this theorem, basic proportionality theorem, is clear to everyone. Now let's see one thing. Now other theorem, the next theorem that I am going to discuss now, the midpoint theorem, is the application of basic proportionality theorem only. Okay, let's see this midpoint theorem. So in this theorem, if you have a triangle ABC, okay, here D and E are the midpoints of AB and AC. So it is given that D is midpoint of AB, D is midpoint of AB, and E is midpoint of AC. E is midpoint of AC. Alright, then the line joining the midpoint of two sides is always parallel to the third side. Okay, if this is there, if, then DE will be parallel to BC. Alright, is this clear? The line joining the midpoint of two sides is always parallel to the third side. Okay? Yes, all of you please confirm if midpoint theorem is clear. Alright. Now, see, what is the ratio of AD to DB? What is the ratio of AD to DB here in this question? Please answer. Yes, Akshay, this theorem will be valid for all the triangles. Okay. One is to one, correct. AD upon DB is 1:1. Okay. So this is 1:1 ratio. So can you tell me what is the ratio of DE to BC in this theorem? What is the ratio of DE to BC? Correct. Alright. So what we did in the previous theorem, that if the ratio is m is to n, then If the ratio of AD to DB is M is to N, then the ratio of DE to BC is M upon M plus N. So in this case, M and N is 1, so this becomes 1 by 2. Okay? I hope these two theorems are clear. Basic proportionality theorem and midpoint theorem. All of you, please confirm. Okay. So if this is clear, please answer this question. Yes. So I'm giving you a minute. Quickly go through this question and answer it. You have to find the area of the shaded region. Yes. Any answers yet? Okay, we have an answer. Shambhavi, you are getting 24. Alright. Yes. Jenny, Anshul, Dharini, Akshay, Lavish, please answer. Yes, Priyanshi, Kashish, all of you, please answer this question. Alfaz, Sumit. Hi Gopal, please try this question. Okay. Alright. See, here it is given that AC is equal to AE is equal to EC. Okay. And all these values are 8. All sides of this triangle are 8. Therefore, this is an equilateral triangle. Alright. What is the area of an equilateral triangle? Area of an equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 by 4 into side square. Right? This is the area of an equilateral triangle. Now, it is given that B and D are midpoints of AC and CE respectively. So, since B is the midpoint of AC and AC is given as 8, therefore BC will be 4. CD will also be equal to 4 as D is the midpoint. Okay? Now, according to the midpoint theorem, we have discussed that BD will be parallel to AE. The line joining the midpoints of two sides is always parallel to the third side. And that line is half of the base. Here BD is equal to half of AE. So therefore BD is also equal to 4. So this triangle CBD is also an equilateral triangle with side 4. Okay. So let us find the area of the shaded region. Yes. What is the area of shaded region? This will be equal to area of triangle ACE minus area of triangle CBD. Alright, am I right? Is this a step clear to everyone? How do we calculate the area of the shaded region? Please answer. Clear? Right? Now what is the area of ACE? This is an equilateral triangle with side 8 units. So this is what I get. Root 3 by 4, 8 square. Right? Minus CBD. CBD is an equilateral triangle with side is equal to 4 units. So this is again root 3 by 4 into 4 square. Alright. Solve this. What will you get? Root 3 by 4 you can take common. This will be 64 minus 16. Okay, so this value will be equal to root 3 by 4. 64 minus 16. This will be equal to 48. Alright, so the answer will be 12 root 3. Okay? Yes, correct. Lavish, right answer. Okay, I hope this question is clear, all of you. Yes, 12 root 3 is the correct answer. Alright, let's move on now. So now I'm going to discuss about the centers of a triangle. Okay, this is an important topic. So if you are not able to understand even slightly, if any point in between, if you are unable to understand, please let me know, I'll repeat it. Okay, let's see. Medians and centroid. So what is a median? First of all, let us understand this. So if I have a triangle ABC, take the midpoint of side BC. Okay, let us take D is the midpoint of side BC and join A to D. Okay, A to D. This is the point. Alright, so AD is the median of triangle ABC. So what is a median? Median is the line segment joining the vertex to the midpoint of the base, which joins the vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of opposite base. Alright, I hope this is clear. Median is the line segment that joins the vertex of the triangle to the midpoint of opposite side. Likewise, you can draw the median for vertex B also. Take the midpoint of AC and join it with B. Okay. Likewise, you can draw the median for vertex C also. So what you need to do is that join the midpoint of AB to C. Alright. So this will pass through this line. Alright. This would be something like this. Okay. It will pass through it. Somewhere here it will be CF and BE. Okay. Consider these are the medians. So AD, BE and CF are the medians of this triangle. Okay. So all the medians intersect at a common point, and this point of intersection of medians is known as the centroid. Alright, this point of intersection of medians is known as the centroid of a triangle. Okay, now what is a centroid? This point of intersection of medians. So there are certain properties of centroid that we need to understand. First property. Centroid divides the median into the ratio 2:1. So if I take this point G, if I take the centroid as G, then AG upon GD is equal to 2:1. Alright? Yes, FED are midpoints. Correct. FED are midpoints. Okay? Ratio of AG to GD is 2:1. Okay? Please note that the part of the median that is near to the base will be shorter. Okay, so you cannot write GD upon AG is 2:1. So it is always AG upon GD is 2:1. Now please tell me what is the ratio of BG to GE? Yes, what is the ratio of BG to GE? Please answer. Correct. This is also 2:1. Likewise for the third median also. CG to GF. CG to GF is also 2:1. Okay, I hope this property is clear. The second property, the very important property, that three medians of a triangle divide the triangle into 6 triangles. 6 smaller triangles of equal area. Alright, of equal area. So how many triangles are formed here? 6 triangles. Triangle 1, 2, this is one triangle, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Area of all these 6 triangles will be equal. Okay, So the medians of a triangle divide the triangle into 6 triangles of equal area. Alright. Is this point clear, all of you? The second theorem. Yes? Okay. Alright. So this is medians and centroids. Now let us discuss about altitudes and orthocenter. Please tell me what is an altitude of a triangle. If I have this triangle ABC, what do you mean by the altitude of a triangle? Correct. This is the height of the triangle, 90 degree on the other side. This is the height of the triangle. So if you draw perpendicular from point A to the opposite side, this way. So if you draw perpendicular from point A to opposite side, BC, then let us take it as AD. Then AD is a perpendicular. AD is the altitude of this triangle. Likewise, you can draw a perpendicular from B to AC. This will be 90 degree. Likewise, you can draw a perpendicular from C to AB. Okay, this perpendicular you can draw. Let us take it as CF and BE. So AD, BE and CF, these are the altitudes of this triangle ABC. Okay, now the point of intersection of the altitudes, all the 3 altitudes will intersect at a common point, and this point of intersection is known as orthocenter. Okay, point of intersection of altitudes is known as orthocenter. Yes, these are not the midpoints. These are not the midpoints. Okay, we have midpoints only in the case of medians. Here, altitude means height of the triangle, just perpendicular drawn from the vertex to the opposite side. That's it. Alright. Is this clear? The definition of altitudes and orthocenter. Altitude, this is a perpendicular drawn from vertex to opposite side. That's it. Okay, clear? Now, please tell me, suppose if I have any right angle triangle. In a right angle triangle, what is the position of orthocenter? Okay, take a paper, take your pen, draw a right angle triangle, okay, and try to draw the perpendiculars from vertex to the opposite side, and tell me what will be the position of orthocenter. Yes, find their intersection point. All of you, please try this and tell me the position. Yes. Only one altitude. Okay. Let's see. So let us take this right angle triangle PQR. Then can I say that PQ is perpendicular to QR? Is PQ perpendicular to QR? Okay. So the altitude from point P to QR is PQ. Right, this is one altitude. Now let us draw the altitude from point R. So R का opposite side क्या होगा? PQ, and this side only is the altitude. This is an altitude. Okay. Likewise, let us draw an altitude from point Q to PR. So this way I can draw the altitude. Okay. Now please tell me what is the intersection point of all these 3 altitudes. Think about it and answer. What is the intersection point of these altitudes? Yes, sides can also be altitudes. In a right angle triangle, अगर आप right angle triangle का area निकालते हो, how do you find it? You divide. You do this half into this side, into this side. It means you are considering this as the altitude, right? So this is the point of intersection. So hence this is the orthocenter. Okay. So in a right angle triangle, orthocenter is at the vertex of right angle. Okay. In a right angle triangle, orthocenter lies at the vertex of the right angle. Okay. I hope this statement is absolutely clear, all of you. Now please tell me, what is the location of an orthocenter in an acute angle triangle? Think about it. In an acute angle triangle, will the orthocenter lie inside the triangle or will it lie outside the triangle? Draw the figure on your paper and tell me. Yes. Inside, right? You can take this triangle only, the one that I have on your screens, this one. If you draw all the altitudes, it will always intersect inside, right? Now draw an obtuse angle triangle and find the orthocenter. Draw an obtuse angle triangle and find the orthocenter. All of you do this exercise. Alright, so again I have this triangle. Let us take XYZ. XYZ. Okay. Perpendicular from Y to XZ is this. Perpendicular from X to YZ. This will definitely lie outside. Somewhere here. Right? Then perpendicular from Z to XY. This will lie somewhere here. If I extend this point. Okay. So these are the perpendiculars. Right? So if I want them to intersect, I need to extend them. I need to extrapolate them. So if I extrapolate them, I get the orthocenter somewhere here. So this is clearly lying outside. So in an obtuse angle triangle, orthocenter lies outside the triangle. Okay. I hope this point is absolutely clear to everyone. Okay. Alright. Let us see. Perpendicular bisector and circumcenter. Okay. Now guys, please tell me what is the difference between a perpendicular bisector and altitude. Yes. Difference between a perpendicular bisector and altitude. Think about it and answer. Yes. Okay. See, in case of altitude, when we have altitude is a perpendicular drawn from vertex to the opposite side of the triangle, right? So here vertex is involved. In case of altitude, vertex is involved. But in the case of perpendicular bisector, vertex is not involved. This is just a perpendicular bisector of side of the triangle. So if I consider this side BC of the triangle and I have to draw the perpendicular bisector, what do I mean is that I will draw the perpendicular at midpoint of BC. Okay, so what is the midpoint of BC? I can take it somewhere here and draw the perpendicular. This is the perpendicular. Okay, there is no need to join this perpendicular to the vertex. It may pass through the vertex, maybe not. Alright, I hope this is clear, all of you, the difference between an altitude and perpendicular bisector. Yes. Alright, clear? This is a perpendicular bisector of side BC of the triangle. Now let us draw a perpendicular bisector of side AC. So midpoint of AC is this, perpendicular at this point, somewhere here. Alright, now let us draw the perpendicular bisector of AB. So this will also pass through this common point somewhere here like this. Okay. All right. Please repeat along with definition. Okay. So what is a perpendicular bisector? This is the perpendicular drawn at the midpoint of the side. Okay, midpoint of the side of triangle. Alright, this is a perpendicular drawn at midpoint of the side of triangle. Or you can say a perpendicular divides the side of the triangle into two equal parts, and also this is 90 degrees here. Okay, so in this case, this is equal to this much, this segment is equal to this one, and this segment is equal to this one. Okay, let us take this as point F, this is E, and this is D. Okay, is this clear, all of you? What is a perpendicular bisector? Now, perpendicular bisectors of a triangle, the three perpendicular bisectors intersect at a common point, and this point is known as the circumcenter. Circumcenter is the intersection point of perpendicular bisectors of a triangle. Okay? Is this clear? Circumcenter of a triangle, all of you? Yes? All right. Now, see, please tell me, this is the intersection of perpendicular bisectors. Okay, so now let us find out what is the position of circumcenter in a right angle triangle. Okay, so we are going to do this exercise again. Take your pen and paper, draw a right angle triangle, draw the perpendicular bisector for each side of the triangle, find their intersection point and tell me what is the location of the intersection point in a right angle triangle. Think about it. Okay, we have an answer by Shambhavi. Let's see. Everyone, please answer this. Yes. Lavish, this is the perpendicular bisector of the side, not the altitude. Okay? Perpendicular bisector means midpoint of the side पे perpendicular होना चाहिए. Okay, I'll give you a hint. I will draw the perpendicular bisector of side PQ. Let us take this angle as 90 degrees. Right angle triangle. Let us draw the perpendicular bisector of PQ. So midpoint यहाँ पे होगा and perpendicular at this point like this. Okay, this is the perpendicular bisector. Now let us draw the perpendicular bisector of QR. This will be somewhere here is the midpoint, and now I am going to draw the perpendicular at this point. This would be somewhat like this. Okay. Alright, we got this. Now let us draw the perpendicular bisector of the side PR. So this will again be here this way. Okay, so this point will be the circumcenter. This is the circumcenter. Alright. So, the circumcenter of the right angle triangle lies at the midpoint of hypotenuse. Okay, this lies at midpoint of hypotenuse. Is this clear, all of you? Yes. Please answer if this is clear. Midpoint of hypotenuse. Yes. Now please tell me what is the position of circumcenter in an acute angle triangle. Quickly, you can answer this in just 10 seconds. It is on your screens. Hello Devendra. Yeah, so this is an acute angle triangle. Where is the circumcenter of this triangle? Inside or outside? Inside. Alright, correct. So in an acute angle triangle, this lies inside the triangle. Likewise, in an obtuse angle triangle, this lies outside the triangle. So this you can do it as a homework exercise. Draw an obtuse angle triangle and find its circumcenter by just drawing. It will always lie outside the triangle. Okay? Now, I hope this is clear. What is a circumcenter? What is a perpendicular bisector? Now let us discuss what is a circumcircle. Okay, you might have come across this term in questions. Let us understand what is a circumcircle. So if I have this triangle ABC. This is the triangle ABC. Okay, this point is my circumcenter. Alright, so what I am going to do is that I will take this point and I will take one of the vertices and join them. Okay, now with this point, let us take this as O. So with OB as the radius, I am going to draw a circle. With O as the center and OB as the radius, I am going to draw a circle. So the circle that I draw will pass through all the vertices of this triangle. Okay, so this is going to pass through A as well as C. This is the circle. Alright, so this circle is known as the circumcircle. So the circle which is drawn taking circumcenter as the center and radius is equal to OB. Then this is a circumcircle. Alright. Okay, and what is OB? So OB will be equal to OC will be equal to OA, and this is equal to circumradius. Alright, is the definition of circumcircle clear? This is a circle which is drawn by taking circumcenter as the center and radius as the distance between circumcenter and the vertex of a triangle. Okay? Yeah, so if I write this, so I am going to write the statement. Please tell me if this statement is true or false. Okay? Circumcenter of a triangle is equidistant from each of its vertices. Yes. Please answer. Is this a true statement or a false statement? Circumcenter is equidistant from each vertex. True? Yes. Correct. This is a true statement. Why? Because OB, OA and OC, these are the circumradius, and radius are always equal. Okay, in a circle all the radii are equal. Therefore, circumcenter is equidistant from each vertex. Alright, I hope there is no doubt in your mind regarding perpendicular bisectors and circumcenter now. Okay? Alright, now the fourth center, the in-center of a triangle. Let us discuss about in-center of a triangle. So again, let us understand what is an angle bisector. We have already discussed what is an angle bisector. Quickly tell me what is an angle bisector. Yes, type in your answers, all of you. What is an angle bisector? Correct. This is the line segment which divides the angle into two equal parts. Okay. This is an angle bisector. So I have three angles in the triangle ABC. Angle A, angle B and angle C. Let us draw the angle bisector of each angle. Okay. So angle bisector of angle A would be like this. Angle bisector of angle B would be like this. And angle bisector of angle C will be like this. Somewhere here. Okay? This is a straight line. But they pass through a common point. And this point of intersection of angle bisectors is known as the incenter of a triangle. Okay? So what is the incenter? This is the point of intersection of angle bisectors of a triangle. Alright? Clear? Okay. Now, so as we have circum circle, which is related to circumcenter of a triangle, likewise we have in circle. We have in circle, this is related to incenter of a triangle. So now tell me, obviously you know that in circle is a circle. So what is the center of an in circle? Can anyone guess what is the center of an in circle? Yes, please answer. Correct. So center of an in circle will be in center. So I am going to draw a circle by taking in center as the center. Okay, but to draw the circle I need a radius also. So let us see what is the radius. So radius is the perpendicular drawn from in center to the side like this. Okay, this is the perpendicular. Likewise, I can draw a perpendicular here and I can draw a perpendicular here. Okay. Alright. So now I take this perpendicular as the radius and draw a circle. Alright. So in the figure, all these three perpendiculars, in the figure which I have drawn here, all the perpendiculars do not look same, but they are of same measure in a triangle. Okay. Alright. So let us draw a circle. I'll get some circle like this. Well, it doesn't look like a circle, but please understand that this is a circle. Alright, so this is the in circle. Okay, and this radius r is known as the in radius. Alright, is this clear all of you? What is an in circle? This is the circle which is drawn by taking in center as the center of the circle, and radius is the perpendicular drawn from in center to each of the sides. Alright, please confirm if this is clear. Give me a thumbs up or say yes or okay if this is clear, everyone. Yeah? Okay, great. Clear? Fine. So again, one statement. In center of a triangle is equidistant from each side of a triangle. Okay, please tell me, this statement is true or false? True, right? Because this center is inscribed inside the triangle. This circle is inside this triangle. Okay, and this is the radius, this is the radius, this is the radius. It means that this is equidistant from each of the sides. Okay, understood? So in center is equidistant from each side. Circumcenter is equidistant from each vertex. Alright? Alright, I hope this is clear. Now, everyone, quickly tell me what is a centroid. Yes, please answer what is a centroid of a triangle. Correct. Everyone type in your answers. This is the point of intersection of medians. Correct. What is in circumcenter? What is a circumcenter? Point of intersection of Correct. This is the circumcenter is the point of intersection of perpendicular bisectors. Now what is an orthocenter? Orthocenter is the point of intersection of Yes, correct. Orthocenter is the intersection of altitudes. What about incenter? Incenter is the intersection of Correct. Incenter is the intersection of angle bisectors. So I hope all these four centers of a triangle are clear and their properties are also clear to everyone. Now please answer this question. Read the question and try to answer it. Okay. So this question can be done in 60 seconds. If you know the right theorem, you can answer it in 60 seconds. Quickly start solving. Okay, we have one answer. Lavish got 3. Okay. Okay, Kaustubh also 3. Shambhavi 3. Okay. All right. So let us draw the figure. I have a triangle ABC. AD, BE, CF are medians. Medians are the line joining the vertex to the midpoint of opposite side. So BE is the median, CF is the median, and another median is AD. Okay, they pass through this common point, centroid G. You have to find the area of triangle BGF, means this triangle. Okay, how many triangles are formed? 6. We know that medians divide the triangle into 6 triangles of equal areas. Divide the triangle into 6 smaller triangles of equal areas. Okay. Now what is the area of triangle ABC? This is given as 18. So area of triangle BGF will be equal to 18 by 3, which is 6 centimeter square. Alright, sorry, 18 by 6, which is 3 centimeter square. Alright, correct. 3 is the right answer. Great. Hi Himanshu. Okay, any doubt in this question? Alright, let's see. So let us quickly revise all the important results we have done in today's session. The first point, in an acute angle triangle, circumcenter lies inside. Okay, in a right angle triangle, circumcenter lies on hypotenuse of the triangle, the midpoint of hypotenuse. Okay, in an obtuse angle triangle, circumcenter lies outside the triangle. Okay, I hope these 3 points are clear. We have already discussed them in detail earlier. Yes, hi Nidhi. In an acute angle triangle, orthocenter lies inside. In a right angle triangle, orthocenter lies at the vertex of right angle. Obtuse angle triangle, orthocenter lies outside the triangle. Okay. Yes, Dharini, you want to get the material of this class? All right. Yes, Dharini, are you there in my Telegram group? Have you joined that group? If you have joined that group, you can send me a text there. I can share the PDF with you there. Okay. All right. Now, centroid divides the medians in the ratio 2:1. In an isosceles triangle, the centroid. Now, this is a new point. Think about this point. Okay? You're already there, so just drop me a text there. I will share it with you. In an isosceles triangle, the centroid, the orthocenter, the circumcenter and incenter, all the four centers lie on the median to the base. This is a new result. So this is for an isosceles triangle. Isosceles means two sides are equal. This side is equal to this side. If I draw the median, okay, then D is the midpoint. Okay? ABC. Alright. Then median of the base means on AD, the orthocenter, circumcenter, incenter, centroid. All these four centers will lie on AD. Now we don't know whether it lie on the midpoint or at some particular point, but they all lie on the median. Okay? Alright, clear? Now, in an equilateral triangle, the centroid, orthocenter, circumcenter, incenter all coincide. Okay? Alright, so this one is... Alright. Okay, Kaustubh, for the PDF of this session, you can send me a text on the group. I will definitely provide it to you guys. Okay? Yes, Saroj, you are saying you have been recommended in SSB. Will it help me in CAT interview? Alright. Just drop a text there. Okay? In the group, just write a message. I will share it. Sorry, I'll share the PDF. Alright, hope this is clear. Now guys, take this question as the homework. Okay, this is a homework question. Please try this question yourself and I will discuss it in tomorrow's session. Yes, Kaustubh, the link of the Telegram group you will get in the description of this video. Okay, my Telegram group. I'll just share the details. This is the name of the Telegram group, Unacademy _Aishwarya-CAT. No spaces in between. You can search this. Okay, you can drop a text there. You will even get the links of my YouTube classes, special classes and plus classes on this. Okay, you can even send the picture of the questions here. I'll definitely discuss it. Okay. Alright. Now, yes, in this question, can you mark A, B, C? Alright, find which question? Yes, sure. A, B, C. And this is point D. Okay? Alright, Lavish, please take the screenshot now. This is a homework question. I'm going to discuss this in tomorrow's session. Alright. So now new plus batch is going to start from 9th of June. Okay, 9th of June. This is a weekday batch for the CAT prep. Now this is an offer that is going on at Unacademy that if you take the subscription, the plus subscription for 6 months, you will get 1 month of extra subscription at the cost of 6 months only. So this is a good opportunity for you. If you're preparing for CAT 2021, you should go for this subscription using the code AAISH10. Okay? Yes, scholarship test will happen on Sunday. You can use the code AAISH10 to enroll for this. Okay, and if you get a good rank in this test, you will definitely get a good scholarship. Okay, now new IPMAT and Hotel Management BBA batch is going to start from 19th of June. I'm going to take the classes of higher maths in that batch. Okay, so guys, please go for the subscription. If you haven't taken IPMAT subscription yet, you can use the code AAISH10. This will even get you 10% off. Okay. Yes, Lavish, I know that. I know that you're Harsa age. You texted me in the morning, no? Alright. So ask a doubt feature, this is a 24/7 support. Whenever you are stuck in any question, you can share the picture of that question on the Unacademy Learning app. Our educators will solve it for you and you will get a detailed solution. Okay. To take the subscription, whether for CAT or for IPMAT, you can install Unacademy Learning app, select your goal and click on Get Subscription. Then you can use the code AAISH10. This will get you 10% off. You can even use this code to get access to the free mock tests and quizzes that happen on the platform. You can even unlock special classes using this code. Okay? All right. Okay, everyone, thank you so much for attending the session. I hope you found it useful and enjoyed learning the concepts of triangles with me. Okay, all those students who haven't joined the Telegram group yet, please do join it. This will be very useful for you. You will get the links of all the classes at one place. Okay, thank you. Thanks for attending the session. Be safe. Keep practicing. The next session of geometry will be at 4 p.m. tomorrow. Okay.